So now we have the next question, exercise 6.2, second question. Find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following figures. So we have totally 6 diagrams. So what is this property? This property is also same property as the previous problem. So we have to find out the unknown interior angle x in the following figures. We have one exterior angle given. So as per the exterior angle property, we have exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles, right? So when we take the first question, so we can tell that exterior angle 115 degree is equal to x plus 50 degree. So I can write it as x plus 50 degree is equal to 115 degree. So therefore what is x? X is equal to 150 degree minus 50 degree. So x is equal to, we will get 65 degree. So first one. Similarly, if we consider the second case, the exterior angle is equal to 100 degree. So we can write that x plus 70 degree is equal to 100 degree. So x is equal to 100 minus 70 degree, which is equal to 30 degree. So we have got all the questions are in a similar way. So there is no indirect question. So in the third case, just look at the figure. We have x as the internal angle. The second angle is also not given, but we know that it is 90 degree because it is a right angle, and the value here is 125 degree exterior angle. So what will be the value? X plus 90 degree is equal to 125 degree. So therefore x is equal to 125 degree minus 90 degree, which is equal to 35 degree. So in the fourth case, you have an exterior angle of 120 degree. The interior angle is x plus 60, right? So x plus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. So we have the interior angle x is equal to 120 degree minus 60 degree, which will give you 60 degree. What about the fifth problem? We have the interior angle as x and 30, exterior angle is 80 degree. So we can write that x plus 30 degree is equal to 80 degree. So we get x is equal to 80 minus 30 degree, which is equal to 50 degree. So sixth one, we have the exterior angle as 75 degree, interior angle as x and 35 degree. So similarly x plus 35 degree is equal to 75 degree. Therefore what will be x? X is equal to 75 degree minus 35 degree. So we get x is equal to 40 degree. Thank you.